Bonjour et merci.
Good evening, Paris. Very nice to be here. Oh, did you translate it? Or what did you speak? French. Yes, exactly. I just want to say that I'm very happy to be here. I'm the producer from Yellow Bird Production in Sweden, and we are also a part of the Agostino Group. And we are very happy to be here in Paris. Champs-Élysées, it's very, very exciting. When we were shooting up in Scandinavia, because I heard a lot of good figures from here, because you are book readers, and I got from Marc Govan, from Actes Sud, that you were reading 100,000, millions of books, and we know we had to do a very good film. I hope we can live up to the expectations. I'm very happy to be working with QTC, the distributor of France, and I would like to see Brigitte Macchione here on stage.